Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to link Discord to Spotify. Open the Discord application on your device. Make sure you have the latest version of Discord installed to ensure all features are available. If you are not already logged in, enter your username and password to access your Discord account. Once you are logged in, look at the bottom left corner of the Discord window. You will see a gear icon next to your username. Click on this gear icon to open the user settings menu. In the User Settings menu, find and click on the Connections tab located in the left sidebar. This will open a new window showing all the possible accounts you can connect to Discord. In the Connections tab, you will see various services that you can link with Discord. Click on the Spotify logo to start the linking process. A new window will pop up asking you to log into your Spotify account. You can choose to log in with your email and password, or you can use the Continue with Google option if your Spotify account is linked to your Google account. If you are using the Google login option, you will be prompted to choose the Google account you want to link with Spotify. Select the appropriate account from the list. After selecting your account, scroll down through the permissions that Spotify is requesting. Read through them and then click on the Agree button to allow Discord to connect your Spotify account. Once you have granted the necessary permissions, you will be directed back to Discord. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your Spotify account is now connected to Discord. To let your friends on Discord know what you are listening to, you can toggle the Display on Profile option. This option is found next to the Spotify icon in the Connections tab. When turned on, your current Spotify activity will be displayed on your Discord profile. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.